guys, it is early on Sunday. Not early, it's I guess mid Sunday. So first and foremost, happy Sunday to you guys. It is kind of a somber day because we've got a lot going on in Afghanistan, and we've also got a hurricane category 4 coming towards New Orleans. This time it's not coming to where I'm at, but I've been through it before. A category 5 is nothing to sneeze at. I got Lexi over here. She's keeping an eye on the storm for me. And so what I'm going to do today, I thought it'd be kind of fun. I've recently got a new phone. And this is, you might recognize this is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And we're going to do a little kind of unboxing. I've had this phone for a little bit now, but I've never just did an unboxing, and this is kind of new for me. So I thought it'd be kind of fun. You guys could watch me do my first unboxing. I'm using my old phone, my Samsung Note. Ignore the stuff in the background. My Note 9 to do the unboxing. So let me know what you think, and we'll see you in a minute. Here we go with the unboxing. This is going to be a little tricky because I don't have my tripod here. I'm just going to kind of wing this. So we're going to move around the box, and if there's a little shake I'm filming on has very sensitive touch edges. So I'm going to spin the box around here. And there's iPhone. You see I've got a generic plastic case that I found on Amazon. It is nothing special, just a bumper to keep it safe. So I'll put the link in the description for those that are interested. There's of course my beautiful Black Rifle Coffee Company mug. I got this at Bass Pro Shops. I did not get this from them. They're not paying me to say this. I just love the products. So there's that. If they want to try to reach out to them several times on social media, as a veteran, as just a IT guy, so thumbs up if you like Black Rifle Coffee. So that being said, let's get into what we're here to see. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and so it is a different unboxing experience than I remember. It's been a while. The last iPhone I think I actually owned was a iPhone 5. My daughter's got an iPhone 6, but so iPhone 5 is the first or the last one I've owned. So this is, to me, it's also kind of cool because I do like the design. I think that they've redone the design well. But will this be a phone to replace my Note 9, which I love because of the Note 9 stylus? I don't know. So here's the back of the box. You can see there we got the usual, includes the lightning cable, USB-C to lightning. That's a big change. Never thought I would see the day where Apple went to USB-C and talks about the Wi-Fi information, the cellular bands, all that kind of good stuff. I move down here, and we're not going to do the IMEI number because I don't want you to have that. I'll have to edit that out probably. But all the FCC information brought to you by Apple. One Apple Park, Cupertino, California. All rights reserved. So without further ado, let's flip it around and let's go ahead and remove the phone. This is basically what you get. I got the white one. I got this off AT&T because I had a free upgrade. So flip it around here and look at it in the box. It's very simple packaging. Not much really to differentiate. You look at the camera system, though. This is one of the big changes from the iPhone to the old models versus previous models. The 11 Pro Max, probably if you've already got that, it's not a big deal. That's fine. Let's go ahead and place that on the table. And there's the box. Basically, you get a lightning to USB-C cable, and you get some documentation by Apple. Got that right there, but really that's about it. So there's the lightning cable. It's a standard USB-C on one end and a lightning on the other. So you can focus. There you go. That's nothing very much different, but there's really nothing. There's no brick in the box. So you're going to have to buy a USB-C brick because that's how it works. So there's the phone. Let's take a look at the sides here. I do love the finish. And it kind of reminds me of like the old school iPhone 5. That's probably why I like it. There's the SIM tray, the volume up, volume down buttons, and then of course the slider for the sound. Over here we got the power button, and I believe, I'm not sure what that is. Is that MagSafe, or I don't know, or maybe something to do with wireless? Could be. And on the bottom, of course, you have the downward firing speakers, and you have the USB-C port. There's one thing about this phone. On the back, they have this nice matte color because there's not a lot of fingerprints, but of course the screen is a fingerprint magnet, as most smartphones these days are. And so there's that. This metal around the bottom, however, I have noticed it got a little bit sticky here because of the case. So you'll want to just probably keep a microfiber cloth to wipe that off. I got a little bit of it off, but not much. So that's that. Let's go ahead and, it's already powered on, so this is not the lock screen you'll see, but so I'm going to do a review later, but it does have Face ID, which I have all the notifications here. It's going to be weird getting used to notice the first time we've had widgets, like that's a big deal. Widgets have not been on iPhone for a while. Android's had them for probably, what, 10 years now? So you'll notice these are pretty large, and you can tap on them and bring up the apps. And what's going to take the most for me to get used to is probably the fact that there's no fingerprint scanner anywhere. So no fingerprint scanner. There is still that notch. You have this weird dock over here on the side. The dock on the side is all your apps can go into here, and you can actually get rid of all your home screens. Kind of how Android has had, but over on the left-hand side, you've got your little notifications / news. You can customize this and kind of however you want. And so it's, I like to keep track of my stocks and my Robinhood. So, but it is a really good-looking phone. I'm not gonna lie. I love the aesthetic. I think that the design choices they made, even though the cameras, notice they do stick out a bit from the phone, but not so much that you're really going to notice it in your pocket. It's a very easy to hold phone. It is a remarkably big phone. I didn't realize how it compares to the Note. I'll probably do a comparison video a little bit later, but the Note is actually smaller, and I thought the Note would have been larger. This is, I believe, a 6.7-inch screen, because they got rid of more of the bezel on the sides, and just but it's interesting going back to Apple after having been an Android guy for a long time. I'm not saying this is going to be permanent, but I do have both, and I have a kind of full disclosure. I have a vested interest in having both phones because I work in technology. I work as a cybersecurity professional. So that's the phone. That's the unboxing there. That's it. Let me know what you think. Not much else to say right now, but we'll get into some of the finer points. Of course, I'll show you some of the other stuff I have, some of the other tech. We're gonna start doing more tech videos on this channel. But there it is, Lightning. Will that ever be a USB-C? Will there ever be an Apple straight USB-C charged phone? I don't know. But there you go. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys later.